The U.S. vision for space exploration guides NASA's far-reaching missions of discovery, which will be empowered by a new generation of safe, reliable, and cost-effective space transportation systems. Today, NASA and its partners are designing and developing systems that will carry new generations of explorers on fresh journeys of infinite possibilities. While using the latest tools and techniques, rocket engineers are building on a foundation of knowledge gained from almost 50 years of experience to enhance mission success in the complex business of space exploration. The Crew Launch Vehicle will be the new flagship of America's space fleet. The first test flights are scheduled for later this decade, with crew transport to the International Space Station planned for early next decade. Beginning late next decade, this two-stage rocket will carry the Crew Exploration Vehicle capsule to Earth orbit to rendezvous with its ride to the Moon. The inline design puts the crew above the propulsion system, and the integrated launch abort system on top of the crew capsule can move astronauts quickly away in case of an emergency, dramatically improving safety. The larger of the two systems is the Cargo Launch Vehicle, which is about the size of the Apollo Saturn V. It will provide the capability pioneers need to survive and thrive while exploring new territories. This heavy lift system will loft the equipment and supplies needed for trips to the Moon as the first step toward much longer journeys to Mars. The cargo vehicle's Earth departure stage will carry the lunar lander to orbit and dock with the crew capsule. After checking out all systems, the Earth departure stage will perform a translunar injection burn, and it's off to the Moon. Arriving in lunar orbit, the crew will descend to the Moon's surface in the lunar lander. Capable of carrying twice as many astronauts to the Moon's surface as did the Apollo lander, the crew will be able to stay for more than a week at a time. When their job is done, they will launch in the lunar lander and rendezvous with the crew capsule, which is waiting for them in lunar orbit to begin their return trip home.
With its roots in Apollo and Space Shuttle, and its future in traveling to the Moon and Mars, the Crew and Cargo Launch Vehicles will be America's next step toward expanding scientific knowledge through space exploration. For more information about NASA's exploration launch vehicles, visit us on the web at nasa.gov.